Alright guys, today I want to make stuffed apricot glaze Cornish hen, alright? So we're going to start with actually seasoning this little bird here, okay? Just simple, salt and pepper. I'm not going to go too crazy, alright? Okay, I'm gonna set this little bad boy to the side, right, and just put a little bit of onion flakes here, okay? Just gonna leave it alone. And I'm just gonna saute a little bit of shallots. Pan. Okay. Just give me a quick second. Alright. Quick saute. Not too much. Now what I want to do is I want to stuff the bird. So what I did here, I got myself some cornbread stuff in here, okay, and I'm just gonna mix just a little bit on a separate plate here. Let me grab a bowl. Just want to grab a handful. Just enough for the bird. All right, some shallots, nice and toasty. Okay. I'm gonna put some chopped bacon because everything goes well with bacon. Okay. And for my secret ingredient, guys, some cut up pears. Okay. And these are actual Asian pears. All right. I'm gonna put in here. Okay. And then, just for fun, take a little bit of orange zest, storm in there, okay? Okay. Get fancy, I'm just gonna mix it all up with my hand. I'm gonna stuff this bird, okay? Right in there. Okay. As much of the stuffing as I get in there, especially with the pears. All right. And I'll be back with the glazing. All right, guys. So what I got was some smoker apricot preserves. All right. So I'm just gonna put it all over the bird. You can use your hand. I don't care. Just glaze it. All right. Marinate the whole bird. Then you're gonna put it in the oven under 375 for about a good 30 minutes. 20 if it's not stuffed. Give it 30 to 35 minutes if it is. Okay. And I'll be back once it's in the oven within 20 minutes. Because you have to keep glazing it with the apricot preserve. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm taking out the Cornish hen here. Okay. I'm actually going to lower it down to about 300. 325 actually. Just for cook a little more. Okay. And I'm just going to put some more apricot. And then put it back in the oven, maybe for another 10 minutes, okay? But this bird is almost about done. Be very generous, okay? The more apricot, the better. Because you're gonna lose a lot of its flavor as it burns off. And I just might do a nice little gravy with whatever juices is mixed up in the bottom of this pan here, okay? All right, so I'll be back in about another 10 minutes. All right, guys, this should be the finished product of my apricot glazed Cornish hen. Okay, it's looking kind of good. It's looking kind of funky. Let's get this big bad boy out. Out to the cutting board. Look at all that glaze. All right, look at all the stuffing that's gonna come out. All right. So what I want to do is now, I just want to plate this baby. So here's my plate. Do a bed of butter lettuce. A couple of slices of tomatoes right here. Don't worry about it. Just throw some raw onions to the side. Get some of the stuffing. Just put it right here. Okay. Just falling apart on me. Just right on top. It is delicious, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't even need extra glaze, as I thought. So I'm gonna use some of the carrots here. Okay. This is a beautiful plate. So here you guys, you got an apricot glazed Cornish hen with an Asian pear stuffing. Show the stuffing. Okay. Bon appetit, guys.